at Studio 5, we think salads deserve a little more attention. That felt official, didn't it? A declaration of sorts. So all week we're helping you give your salad a little more style, some edge, some attitude.
Yes,
right?
do it.
I'm back with our friend Suzy Bunker, who's adding her voice to our salad swag series. There is one very simple step that you reach for to upgrade your salad.
Right. This is the best step you could ever make.
I was actually surprised to hear this. I've never done this. Go.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so flavored olive oils and vinegars. Game changer, and it makes salad dressing so easy. So here's the thing with salads, a lot of the times we use pre-made dressings from the store. They're usually made with seed oils, really inflammatory. So kudos for eating the salad, which is great. But if we want to up level, not only make it taste so much better, but is heart healthy, this takes an unhealthy salad dressing, and using extra virgin olive oil is now you have a very heart healthy
But flavored
dressing.
olive oil.
So the flavors, yes. So here over on this side, I've got a lemon today. So lemon you could pair with any sort of flavored, I mean, I've got blueberry over here, mango. We've got some fun flavors we'll get into, but lemon olive oil is great. You can get a garlic olive oil to be able to pair with something that's a little bit more savory. And this Tuscan herb has all the herbs in there already. So you take this Tuscan herb and just combine it with some balsamic vinegar. Just whisk that, little salt and pepper, you're done. And do you know the ratio of olive oil to vinegar?
No.
Okay, so it's 2 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar.
2 to 1.
So that's all you have to know. And then, so you can just make up your own little batch. Do 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and you're good to go. Add a little salt and pepper, a little honey if you want to sweeten it up or whatever.
We're mixologists.
But that's it.
Yes.
So what's awesome is with these flavored ones, you can just go to town. So look at this one, Cara orange and vanilla. It's so good. This blueberry one is amazing. This mango one, you can pair with a lime olive oil. I actually just do equal parts on this one because these ones are so sweet.
Okay.
But I just mix those 2 together.
Done.
It's done, and
Yum.
it's so delicious. Just put it on any salad with some fruit, some mangoes, strawberries, some chicken, anything.
Suzy,
so simple.
Good tip. Another way to step up our salad swag. I've been loving this conversation all week.